All right, Morty, can you put this on the shelf? Don't drop it. I'm not an idiot, Rick. I'm not gonna drop. Here we go.
Acid break, acid break, acid break.
God damn it, hot damn it, I'm the stone cold truth. Get up and run me roof, get a bird's eye view. Got up and run me pot, so I watch the dope law. Got a dope one night, got a soul top truck. Got a little bad bitch, so I stack real ladies. Got the iceberg slim, but I like romaine lettuce. 36 O's on the bus, I'm on Bettis. No bitch, but still on my ATL. Two-time fella, got a ice necklace, being low and brass, ski bang, yeah, let's get it.
Alright guys, so that's 40 shirts done in 20 minutes. I got them all stacked up here in my room. Still have a bunch more to go, but I thought I'd just show you the little stack. Got this box to go through, and then this whole box to go through. I got a lot of folding ahead of me.
I'm sorry, Rick. Morty, you idiot. Now I have to make more. What was it? It's acid, Morty.
Acid break, acid break, acid break, acid break, acid break.
Too damn shiesty. Get with Gucci, man, baby, you'll be so icy. Can't lie, baby, girl, you fine as hell. When I hit it on the first day, time to tell.
They like so where you been, sucker? I've been bad guns for this shit, yeah, sucker. I'm up this motherfucker like getting back, sucker. I'm gonna shoot your fucking ass, you ain't no damn cat, sucker. So where you been, sucker? I've been bad guns for this shit, yeah, sucker. I'm up this motherfucker like getting back, sucker.
Alright guys, so I've got all of the shirts folded now, both boxes are empty. whole table covered in shirts. I got 23 extra large, 22 small, 33 mediums, and then 55 larges. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'm really stoked on having all these shirts ready to go, and I got new hats that are on the way. Those will be coming out soon, all available on backwoodskateco.com. So thanks guys for watching. Peace out.